Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix unable to link your partner on Flow app. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to delete the Flow application and go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store on your Android device, and now just search for Flow right here, and I'm just gonna wait for it to load. It's not loading for some reason. Okay, so this is the application. Make sure it's updated, so just delete the application and download it once again. If it still doesn't fix the problem, just go to google.com like this, and here you can just contact them and ask them to fix your problem, and they will fix your problem within 24 hours. So just go to this link and describe your issue and they will fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.